Tapos hanggang sa umuwi kayo umaga, hindi talaga nyo nakita. Hindi na lumabas yung mga tao na yun.
Hindi po.
Hindi kayo nagduda, hindi kayo nag-report kagad sa pulis.
Hindi po kasi wala po talaga kami. Hindi po namin alam kung ano po nangyayari sa kanila.
Anyway, explain naman ni Kwan na expected din yun na i-turn over sa pulis kung na-hold sila ng management. Ikaw, meron ka pa sabihin? Doon, wala na. So, okay na kayo lahat? So, maraming salamat. Ha? Thank you sa inyong cooperation. Maraming salamat. Tingin niyo, makikita pa niyo yung mga pinsan ninyo?
Sana po, sir.
Ha?
Miss na po namin po yun.
Sige, dasal kayo. Na makauwi pa yun. Makauwi pa silang buhay. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Kumsek, yung request ni Senator Tolentino ng mga resource person, paupuin natin. So maraming salamat. Pwede na kayong bumalik sa holding room.
Salamat. Mga bata pa to.
May we request the following resource persons to please take the seats, particularly GCash, Primaya, Pagcor, BSP, DTI. DOJ.
GCash, di ba? Kasama? GCash, oh.
Tama na po, pati yung BIR.
BIR, GCash. Thank you. Kayong mga PIB, mag-relax muna kayo. Punta kayo doon sa holding room. Magkuhan kayo. May pagkain doon, kumain kayo. Sige. Pahinga muna kayo. Oh, sige.
Mr. Chairman.
Kung hindi kayo magkasama, meron dito sa kabila, may bakante pa dito. Wala. Salamat, Mr. Atongan. Hindi, baka gusto makinig dito, baka mag-input ka rin mamaya. Kasi okay na siya?
Tanong din ako kay Mr. Yes. Unahin na kita para
Yes, sir.
break ka. Magandang hapon po. Siguro, Mr. Chairman, may request that those who have yet to be sworn immediately.
Could you please stand up and raise your right hand po? Lahat po ulit. Panigurado na lang sir.
Kay Maya, I've seen you before.
Ang GCash, tapos na rin po ba? Okay po, hindi pa.
Hindi
Sige
pa.
po. Yung mga hindi pa ho nag-swear in, pwede hong tayo ho muna. Kayo lang po, sir. How about the others? Yes. Opo, tapos na po yung... Yes. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this investigation, sir? Thank you, sir. Please take your seat, sir.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is the second leg of with the permission of the chairman of the committee investigation after discussing the whereabouts of the missing Sabongeros. I think it is now appropriate to discuss what should be done in terms of our legal system. I requested Mr. Ang to stay behind because I have one question that I need to be clarified. Marami nakikinig tayo mga kababayan ngayon. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin Mr. Ang ng master agent?
Master agent, Your Honor. Bali, binibigyan namin sila ng 2%. Tapos, sila nag-guarantee, nagde-deposit sila na kung ano yung nakukonsume, binabayaran nila. Tapos, ang kapalit niyan, out of 5% na kinukuha namin, 2% yung kanila.
Kaya,
Bali 40% of the company, bali lumalabas 5% eh. Binibigyan namin sa kanila yung 2%. Tapos, yung 2% na yun, nagkakaroon sila ng mga iba-ibang agent pa, nagbibigay sila ng commission din.
ang lumalabas kasi ngayon, correct me if I'm wrong, and now I'm now referring this statement to GCash and PayMaya, dahil ang players ngayon allowed to directly load money into the eSabong platforms. Ang lumalabas ngayon, si GCash at si PayMaya na ang master agents. Tama po ba yan? Meron ba gusto sumagot?
Your Honor, hindi po. Bali, ano lang po sila, payment system lang. Hindi po sila.
Dahil direkta na sila, hindi na dumadaan sa master agent, parang sila na yung lumalabas. Hayaan po natin sila sumagot. Itong GCash at PayMaya. Pero bago kayo sumagot, Mr. Chairman, in behalf of the committee, nagpapasalamat kami sa reply ninyo. We received a reply March 11 from PayMaya, and then another letter dated March 5 from G Exchange. Ito siguro yung GCash. So, salamat po doon. Who would like to respond?
Can I go ahead?
Go ahead, sir. You are from PayMaya.
I'm from PayMaya, Mr. Chairman. My name is Attorney Basilio Visaya Jr. And good afternoon.
Kamagano ko po si General Visaya?
He is a cousin, Mr.
Cousin.
Chairman.
Oh.
So, Mr. Chairman, we are essentially a payment system integration services company. So, we are not really an agent for that matter, and we entered into this agreement with Lucky 8 to do cash-in services as an EMI, because that is only the license that we are authorized to do under our license with the BSP. So we cannot do more than that, Mr. Chairman.
So, you are denying that you have taken the role of a master agent. Hindi totoo.
Hindi po totoo yun, Mr. Chairman. We are a payment services company, and our role in the services with Lucky 8 as partner is just a payment services company.
So, meaning to
Nothing
say,
more.
you made it easier for users, for players of the system to load money in your platforms and at the same time bet.
That's not.
Dumali. Kasi nandun sa akin yung step by step, sana naipalabas ko dito. Pag pindutin mo yung sa GCash ito, pero more or less, the same din siguro yan sa PayMaya. Pag pinindot mo, lalabas doon sa GCash, sa homepage, G-Live, then click Pitmasters Live, dire-diretso na. Ibig sabihin, dumali yung transaksyon. Facilitated the transaction.
We do not do that actually, Mr. Chairman.
O, paano
Actually,
nakakataya?
We are an EMI company, and we do this
I know,
for hundreds of thousands of merchants who use our services as a payment system. So there is no reason why we should not be doing this for gaming partners as
So,
long as they are authorized.
so you are
under the law.
denying that
So,
there is a separate app? Is there an app?
that's positive, Mr. Chairman.
There is no app?
We have a separate application.
There is a
Mr. Chairman.
separate app precisely for Isabong.
There are two applications here, Mr. Chairman. There are two portals.
Specifically made by Paymaya for Isabong. Paglabas mo dito, lalabas doon. Can we have this played on ano? Meron kaming ano, but while waiting for that, you can explain. So, merong app na lalabas, nandun yung Isabong. Pipindutin na lang, di ba? I-direct ka sa Pitmaster o kung saan-saan man. Tama ba yan?
Tama po yun, in a sense, Mr.
Tama o
Chairman. Can I qualify my answer, Mr.
Hindi, sabi mo lang tama o mali.
Because the
Yes or no lang, yes or no. Because yan, that role emanated from a Bangko Sentral circular allowing you to enter into a contract with, for instance here, Pitmaster. Tama.
Tama po yan.
Tama. And Bangko Sentral, I cut you short. The Bangko Sentral relied on the license issued by PAGCOR. Kasi nag-issue ng, although I still consider this as a controversial issuance of a license because it should have been done by the Congress, by the legislature. Where is Central Bank? Central Bank. Bangko Sentral relied on the license issued by PAGCOR and thereafter allowed these EMIs to enter into an agreement or agreements with Pitmaster. Tama? I'm asking BSP.
Yeah. Sir, can I discuss po yung process?
Qualified ulit.
Because we just not rely on the license.
Without the license of PAGCOR, will you issue a directive allowing GCash and Paymaya to enter into an agreement with Pitmaster or the other Isabong operators?
Yeah. In that question, sir,
Will you issue a concurrence or not?
yeah, we will not issue.
Yes.
It's not a
So what
registered
became the
license of
basis? What became the basis is the license issued by PAGCOR to the Isabong operator. And what became the basis for PAGCOR to issue that license is the DOJ and Solicitor General opinion. DOJ, you're still there. So,
Yes, Mr.
dito lahat ito nagsimula eh. Dito lahat ito nagsimula. We will have a long hearing on this because I'm just looking on the first leg of what transpired. So, the legal opinion served as the legal basis for PAGCOR to issue a license. BSP relied on PAGCOR's license and thereafter allowed Paymaya and GCash to enter into an agreement with Pitmaster. Question to BSP. After allowing Paymaya and GCash to enter into an agreement with Pitmaster and all other, hindi lang, banggitin ko na lang, Isabong operator, what then is your supervisory role? You can answer that, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Can I answer po? Before we issue the license, so it's a licensed electronic money issuer, and then there's a conditions that any changes or enhancement on their products or mobile application, they have to notify the Bangko Sentral. Once they notify the Bangko Sentral, we request the EMIs to present the proposed product and services. And if we found that there are some need to be addressed or need to additional condition for the issuance or allowing the e-money issuer to participate or offer that certain product, there are certain conditions, particularly for the Isabong, sir, that the restrictions that the EMI should ensure that it will not be offered and be accessed by the minors, as well as to strengthen their risk management system particularly on the AML, anti-money laundering